Hello guys, I'm Amir, and in today's video I want to show you how I draw a portrait, a face, everything we can call it. I always start with the lips and I always finish with the whole face or body or head and anything. I don't want to talk too much, so I'll let you see what I do and how is it going. So I'll let you see. I don't want to talk too much, and I always love you. Goodbye.
Walking down under the stars, just something don't feel right tonight. Walking out under, scraping down under my scars. Yourself like I did in the darkness of time. Oh no, 'cause I forgot the places, the faces, the traces of the past. I'm a madman, 'cause I'm a madman. I'm a madman. Walking down under the stars, just something don't feel right tonight. Walking out under, scraping down under my scars. I'm a madman, I'm a madman, oh, I'm a madman, I'm a madman.
Okay guys, this portrait is going to be finished. I really hope that you find out this short tutorial useful and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video of my channel. Goodbye.